Looking to cancel ESPN subscription? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily cancel it. Well, you need to start by heading over to the settings of a device. Inside settings, head over to your Apple account at the very top. Tons of different options will be visible to you. You need to head over to subscriptions right here. Wait for a while for it to load. It will be landing you on this page right here. So in this page, you will be able to see tons of different applications that you have bought the subscription of. But if you couldn't find the application, then it might be because you haven't bought the subscription of the app. So if you have the subscription of ESPN, then it will be available to you in this page. All you gotta do is click on the app. And then at the bottom right corner, you should see the option of remove or cancel. Click on it. State the reason why you want to cancel it and then tap on confirm. After that, your subscription of ESPN will be cancelled successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.